Hello there, and welcome back to another episode of Don's Lawns.
Yeah, Don's Lawns is the best.
Just a little quick tip on ladder safety before we start hanging up these lights. General rule of thumb, you want your ladder between 45 and 60 degrees. The easiest way to get that is if you put your feet inside the rungs at the bottom and you reach out with your arms at shoulder height. You should be able to just barely touch the rung at shoulder height. Just a quick tip included in today's video. Also, if you're new to my channel, please consider hitting that like button and tapping subscribe down below. You can also find me on Instagram and Twitter at donslawns1. I look forward to seeing you guys there too. Now in today's video, we will be hanging our Christmas lights. I'm using these LED ceramic lights from Target. I used them the last 2 seasons, possibly. At least 1 season for sure. And I leave the clips on so I don't have to reset them every year. And I also have them lined up kind of where I know where they're going to go. You know, the clips and everything are in their spot. That's their home. So that makes it easy. Just roll it back up and pull them down from the attic for the following year. I like to use the LED C9 multicolor lights for my roof line around the front because I really like colored lights. Okay, the colored lights along the roof are really just reminds me of my grandma's Christmas tree growing up, and you know, it's one of those things that's nostalgia. I like the colored lights on the roof line, so that's what we've been using. This year I'm adding something to my ground game. I've never done a ground game, quote unquote. So I'm going to add a little something this year for that. I'd like to go ahead and apologize if there's any wind noise or the airplane and stuff like that's going on. I've ran out of time. Today is December 4th. I've got to get my lights up. So I'm really sorry if the audio's not perfect, but guys, hopefully you can get in the Christmas spirit with me while I hang up my lights, right? So before we get started, I got something I've always wanted to do. Hope y'all are ready at home. Hey Alexa, play Christmas music. You're welcome. So we finished doing the roof line with our multicolored LED ceramic lights. I am ready to start having a little bit of a ground game. This is my first year really doing anything for the ground game. And so what I talk about by ground game is it's the uplighting, it's the snow, it's the things in the lawn, the light down on the ground, or light on the house, not so much on the roof. So ground game is everything below the roof. Roof game, it's the roof line, you know, stuff like that. So I've always done pretty well with the roof line, and this will be the first time doing anything for the ground game. I went to Home Depot to see what kind of things were left. Like I said, it's December 4th. There's not a whole lot of stuff left, but I was able to find 2 of these soft white. They're relatively warm on the light appearance scale. LED spike lights. So I'm going to try these out. I've got a plan. I've got an idea. I'm going to try them out. Okay, but they plug in, and that means I need to have some type of extension cord to run over there. Found this 50-foot indoor-outdoor multi-outlet extension cord. It's probably overkill, but you never know when you might need 50 feet of a extension cord. So might as well try it. And then I found the mini LED lights, and this is 28 feet, 10.5 inches of lighted length, and it's obviously the green wire, warm white, so we'll keep the warm tones going. My thought with this is to see about maybe if I could create like a snowy look in my front landscape bed. I don't know. We'll see. We got options. So I got these, I got those. Let's go set it up, and then obviously we're going to show you how it all looks tonight. So I'm going to be honest, no matter what I did with these string lights on this bush, I'm not confident in what it would look like, and I don't think it was going to look great. So I'm going to take these off. We're going to leave the spotlights. I readjusted and moved them to the back to try to give like a backlight to these bushes here, and then we're going to go look at them tonight once the sun goes down. The ground light looks pretty good like that, huh? It's pretty cool. Rowan, will you push the on button and turn it on? Pretty neat. So this is still a very simple setup. Very simple, very classic looking. All I added was some lights there on the ground. You can see the ground lights. That's all I really added. Simple setup. We can always add and improve each year, and that's probably what we'll end up doing. So as always, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, tap subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at DonsLawns1. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Best of luck in the lawn.